String format function allows multiple substitution and value formatting. This method let us concatenate elements with a string through positional formatting. So let's start with a single formatter. So I take a string, welcome to the world of, and put curly braces instead of the word Python and apply the format function and give the argument as Python to the format function. And if you execute this line of code, you will see that the Python word is being replaced in the curly braces. So you understand that the curly braces is a positional formatter to replace the single value Python at its place when the code is executed. You can use this function to do multiple replacement on the positional formatter. So if we type in the same string and just remove welcome with curly braces and world with curly braces and apply the format function and provide the value in sequential manner, say welcome, world, and then Python, and execute this line of code, you will see the string has been built as welcome to the world of Python. So curly braces are kind of a placeholder which get replaced by the index position of each of the word after execution of the code. Python also gives you the facility to put the indexes of each of the word provided as the argument to format your string. So if we copy this same string and then just shuffle welcome and Python and world and just put the index of each of the arguments starting from 0 in the placeholder, say welcome is at index 1 and world is at index 2 and Python is at index 0, and execute this code, you will get the same output, welcome to the world of Python. So basically it means that you can shuffle all your arguments and at the end you can put the index to the placeholder to replace the correct word in the specified string, and this is very helpful during your coding. Next we will discuss how we can convert a type, say a floating point, and also round it off to a certain number of decimal points. So let's type a string, my previous semester percentage was, and then curly brace and then the percentage symbol, and let's apply the format function and specify the grade, say 95.46783, and if we execute this code, you will see the number is being replaced in the placeholder. So if you want to round off this number to 2 decimal place, you have to just mention the index of the argument and then a decimal and number of place you want and the type of the variable, that is floating point. F represent a floating point. So now if you execute this, you will see you get an output of 95.47%. You can also replace some string using the positional formatting. Say I put a placeholder in the place of semester and just put the word semester as an argument, and I put the index of the argument in the placeholder, and if I execute this, I get the same out. My previous semester percentage was 95.47%. There are several ways of doing the string formatting, and these are the main I discussed here. Thanks all for watching this video till the end. I hope you are getting the understanding by watching my videos. If you have any questions or you are facing any issues, please do post in the comment section and I will try my best to reply the same. If you are liking my video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post my next video. Thank you all again. Stay healthy and safe.